channel. Today we're talking about something shocking that just went down on the Real Housewives of Potomac. Our very own grand dame, Karen Huger, is facing some serious consequences after a DUI conviction that could change everything for her. Wow. So let's break down the drama and what this means for Karen's future on the show. Karen Ruka has been an iconic figure on the Real Housewives of Potomac since the very beginning. With her quick wit, no-nonsense attitude, and that undeniable elegance, she's always been the one to stir the pot and keep things interesting. But this season, we're seeing a very different side of Karen, a side that's dealing with some major real-life consequences. So here's the scoop. Back in March 2024, Karen was arrested after crashing her Maserati into a tree in Potomac. It was a huge story, and the world watched as it all unfolded. The charge, driving under the influence, or DUI. Now, this isn't Karen's first run in with the law. In fact, it was her fourth DUI offense over the last 17 years. She was arrested and the fans were left wondering what would happen next. Fast forward to December 2024 and Karen was convicted in a court of law. But what does this mean for her? Well, it gets serious. Karen was sentenced to 2 years in prison. But here's the twist, she'll serve only 12 months. The other year was suspended. Still, that's a big deal for someone who's known for a high profile and glamorous lifestyle. So why is Karen going to prison and what does it mean for her future? After the conviction, Karen was sentenced to 1 year behind bars, a 1 year driving ban, and 5 years of probation. On top of that, when she gets out, she'll have to install a breathalyzer in her vehicle, a constant reminder of the consequences of her action. But it does not stop there. Karen's legal travels have a significant impact on her role in the Real Housewives of Potomac. In fact, she wasn't even present on the season 9 reunion taping. She entered a private recovery program shortly after her sentencing, and it seems like she's stepping away from the spotlight for a while to focus on herself. And of course, her co-stars aren't staying quiet about it. Gizelle Bryant, who has had her own ups and downs with Karen, admitted to being shocked by the news. In interviews, she said she's worried about Karen's safety while she saves time in prison. This situation has cast a shadow over her glamorous lifestyle that we've seen on Real Housewives of Potomac. I quote Karen, "I never imagined I would be here. This is not the woman I recognized, but I know now that I have to face the consequences of my actions." Close quote. Karen's emotional response shows how heavy the situation is for her. While we've seen her as the epitome of grace and confidence, she's now dealing with something much bigger than the drama on Potomac. It's a wake-up call for her, for sure. Now, let's talk about what it means for Karen's future on the Real Housewives of Potomac. This isn't just a small hiccup, it's a major life event. Some fans are wondering if Karen's time on the show will be affected and whether she'll be able to bounce back after this. Will she return to the Real Housewives of Potomac after serving a sentence, or is this the end of an era? On social media, reactions have been mixed. Some fans are showing love and support, wishing Karen a smooth recovery and hoping she'll come back stronger. Others are criticizing her actions and questioning how could she let this happen. But no matter where you stand, one thing is clear, this storyline is far from over. Karen Huger has been an essential part of the Real Housewives of Potomac from day one. Her elegance, her quick wit, and her drama-filled moments have made her a fan favorite. But now we're seeing more of a vulnerable side of the grand dame. Will she be back from this? Only time will tell. What do you think, guys? Do you believe Karen will bounce back from the scandal, or this is a turning point for her on the Real Housewives of Potomac? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Karen's shocking legal situation, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of the updates on the Real Housewives of Potomac and all the latest reality TV drama. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.